Hi everyone! Welcome back to Marchborn's Tutorials. Today, we're walking through another exciting tool, our Calendar Spreadsheet Template, a fully customizable digital calendar. Let's dive right in. First, start by selecting the month from the drop-down. For example, let's choose August month from the drop-down. Next, select the year from the drop-down. By default, the last year in the list is 2029, but here's the best part. This template is unlimited. Party Popper. Simply click the Edit option and add more years, like 2030, 2031, and beyond. This way, you can use the calendar for any month and any year without restrictions. Now, the last setup step, choose your start day. You can set the week to begin on Sunday or Monday, depending on your preference. And that's it. You're ready to plan your schedule in seconds with this flexible and powerful calendar template. Now that we've set up our month and year, let's start filling the calendar with daily tasks. You can add up to 10 tasks per day. This could include work deadlines, meetings, personal reminders, or even fun events. Let's look at some examples for August 2025. August 1st, Friday. Submit project report. Team meeting at 11 a.m. A grocery shopping. August 5th, Tuesday. Doctor's appointment at 3 p.m. Finish presentation slides. Call with client. August 10th, Sunday. Family picnic. Meal prep for the week. Pay electricity bill. August 15th, Friday. Social event. Publish blog post. A weekly review and planning. August 20th, Wednesday. Gym workout. Work on budget spreadsheet. Pick up kids from school early. August 28th, Thursday. Dentist appointment. Submit monthly invoices. Dinner with friends. This way, each day of your digital planner becomes a complete daily to-do list. You can also use it as a task tracker to stay on top of deadlines, habits, and priorities. Let me more examples in this calendar. Now that we've filled our daily tasks, let's move to the left section of the calendar. Today's to-do list. For example, today is August 28th. Let's copy today's tasks from the calendar and paste them here. Dentist appointment. Submit monthly invoices. Dinner with friends. You can also add extra tasks here that aren't on the calendar but still need to be done today. Weekly habit tracker. This section helps you stay consistent with your habits. Let's add a few examples. Drink 8 glasses of water. Exercise 30 minutes. Read 10 pages. Sleep before 11 p.m. Each time you complete a habit, just check the box for that day of the week. Monthly priorities. Here's where you set your focus for the month. Example priorities for August 2025 might be: improve health and fitness. Complete website redesign project. Spend more quality time with family. Monthly goals. Now break your priorities into clear goals. Go to the gym at least 15 times this month. Launch updated website by August 20th. Plan 2 family outings. Monthly to-dos. These are important tasks that don't have a fixed date, but must be completed this month. For example, renew car insurance, organize home office, update LinkedIn profile, notes/reflection/theme. Finally, this section is perfect for journaling, reflection, or setting an inspiring theme for the month. For August, let's add the theme. New beginnings. Start small but stay consistent. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Lastly, to make your planner more fun and personalized, You can add stickers. Simply download your favorite sticker or icon, then go to Insert Image over Cell, upload your sticker, and adjust the size to fit. For example, let's add one sticker right here to brighten up calendar. This is a great way to make your digital calendar not just productive, but also enjoyable to use every day. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up your calendar spreadsheet template, add tasks, track habits and goals, and even customize it with fun stickers. This all-in-one digital calendar works as a daily planner, to-do list, and productivity tracker, helping you stay organized month after month. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Marchborn's tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next template walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!